Hello and good day. So for today, we're going to discuss the factory overhead. So allow me to use the Excel or the spreadsheet so we can able to present properly kung paano yung computation ng factory overhead. So yung factory overhead are the utilities that we use in making our products, especially if it is a food product. So in our example, gumamit tayo ng water at gumamit din tayo ng petroleum gas. So, we have our unit of measurement and we have the unit required. So, for this one, ang pinaka na-consume natin is, for the water is 10 pesos, petroleum gas 160 for a total of 170. So, this is an example of from the students that they are going to sell their products in a span of 12 days. So, i-multiply natin yung sa 12 days. So, we could identify the total consumption of utilities in making our products in a span of 12 days. So, pero yung 2040, hindi yan ang ating factory overhead sa kabuuan. Part lang yan. So, the factory overhead is, we will get 70% or assign 70%, which is 1,428. And the remaining 30%, 612, will be charged to expense. So, 70% part ng costing and 30% part of expense. Pwede bang mabago yung prorata? Yes, pwede. We can have it as 60%. So, 2,040 times 60%. Ang naka-assign is 1,224. While the 40% is 40% of 2,040 is 816. So, same lang din ang treatment niyan sa accounting. Yung 40%, the 60% will be part of the costing, which is 1,224, and the 40%, 816 will be part of the expense. So in our next video, we will have the computation of selling price wherein part ang overhead sa computation ng ating costing and selling price. Thank you!